Hey guys, Art touching base with you, looking for another little setup right here. I'm just going to quickly send this over to my Telegram group, make sure they can see it in advance. Bear with me for one moment. Sorry guys, I probably shouldn't have pushed record first. Watching NAS. Okay, here we go. So we'll break below, sell stop, break below, sell stop. Give me one moment, just going over to my own platform. Sell stop, you can see it right there. I'm going to put it here so you can see what I'm referring to. If we get that break below, looking for a wick fill right there for 11 points in the trade now. In the trade now. Just watching my own platform here. Give me one moment. Watching now closely to see if this can push down. We didn't get a close below. Would have preferred that, but we'll see if this plays out. This is not my actual stop, by the way. This would be an emergency stop. We're looking for about a 1-to-1 here. Looking for about a 1. This is messy on the side. Like, this is not it's not a stellar setup. It's a reasonable coin toss because of all this busyness, but this wick here is it's a fair coin toss to take here. We're calling heads. We may get a tails, and that's okay. It's a quick expense if we do. I'm going to show you the 1 minute chart. See how we look on that. Yep. So I like the fact that we had this nice pullback penetration of the 20, an attempt down, another pullback tapping the 20, and now another one more attempt, which may or may not take us all the way through. Move that over. Watching intently. May manage my stop here. Stop to break even for me. Not quite break even. I'll show you what I'm doing here on the stop. Stop to above this candle right there. We just dramatically reduced the risk on this trade, and willing to take that expense for the opportunity to drive down here and fill that wick that we talked about here on the 10-minute left-hand side. Very high chance of being stopped out here. I'm fine with that. It's a little tiny loss, right? An expense, routine expense in my trading practice. $908 is the target. 908, bear with me. 908. Driving down a little bit here. If we get one more push down, we'll move a stop to break even. Stop to break even. Stop is at break even. And just trusting. Looking for 10 points here. Right there. Looking for 10 points. Oops. Already moved that. Okay, there we go. Stop is at break even. Looks like it wants to come back now and take it out, and that's fine. Well, we'll see. You see some buying coming in the same areas as these rejections happened. We're seeing a little bit of fresh buying there, but we'll see if we can get this drive down. Watching faithfully, trusting. We have nothing to lose now, guys, right? It's a break-even trade. We can just calmly and coolly either take a break-even or generate some revenue. Either one's fine. No emotional roller coaster. No anxiety, no panic. Just flipping coins, calling heads, with a slight edge in our favor over time. TradingView is just frozen. I can tell because my own platform is moving while this one is not, but give it a minute, it should refresh. Here it comes. See, my marker disappeared there? This has happened twice this morning already. Interesting. And there. That's the real price action. Not sure why it's doing that today. I did do a PC restart this morning, and maybe that's done something, but I don't think so. I think this might be a TradingView issue, given that all my other platforms are working just fine. I have several brokers that I deal with for different reasons, different purposes. Swing trading, position trading, day trading, scalping. I use interactive brokers for my day trading. Going to move my stop now to a sure win of 1 or 2 points. You can decide what that is for you. Right there. Sure win of 1 or 2 points. Very high chance of being taken out at that sure small win. Either way, we'll win. Either this little one here or this bigger one here. And my brain likes that. In managing my psychology, managing your psychology is critical in this game. Watching now. Patience. Trusting. Can't lose. We're in a no-lose position on this trade. We came within half a point of our profit, our TP. Most traders don't deal with that very well. They see that become a white candle again. Your coloring might be different. My blue candles are down candles. My white candles are up candles. And right now, my brain just wants blue candles. It wants one more nice big blue candle. And when it sees white, something happens. Gets anxious. And the bigger that white candle gets on the 1 minute chart, the more anxious the brain becomes. And neurotransmitters get released. Cortisol, not dopamine, not serotonin, stress hormone. This becomes a life and death situation. Neurologically, right? And biologically. And that's the real game of trading. Ready to give back all those points? I am. I think it's almost coffee time. It's 4:11 a.m. for me, New York zone. I have had 1 cup of coffee. I think I'm going to go for a second. This one I'll mix a little decaf in as well. Don't want too much caffeine. I mean, it's one of the best drugs I think available. Just watching now. Getting ready to be taken out right about now. There it is. All right. A nice small win. Look at my own platform too to see what the close was on that. But it was yeah, 1.75 is actually on mine. Bear with me, just looking over here. 2 points. On mine it was a 2-point win. I'm gonna put it as two. As I said, yeah, it's just marked 1 or 2 points. What is this marker telling me? Yeah, 1.75. Okay, so we'll mark this as 2 points. Great trade, guys. Nice patience. Got a retest now. Now this could very easily retest this 20. Either close above or close below and then drive down, and that's okay. That's just part of trading. Thanks for being with me. We'll come back later for anything else that happens here. Otherwise, we'll see you in the New York Open. Talk soon. Take care.